new addition to Ferrari's family, the GTC4Lusso T. It's a four-seater tourer that actually has space in the back, so it's not like a 2+2, it's actually a four-seater. From a passenger's point of view, or from a rear passenger's point of view, there's some Glovebox Space with some places for your phone, places for your espresso, some jet fighter air conditioning vents. It's all pretty good back here actually. Is 450 litres of boot space. Excellent for time out for the children, certainly the nasty ones, that's for sure. Although it's quite a nice place for me to be honest. And completely electric, not bad, huh? So under this beautiful long nose is a beautiful V8, set slightly behind the front wheels. Look at that. So 448 kilowatts and 760 newton meters of actually more torque than my wife, and actually far more interesting. You're going to edit this bit out, right? Sorry, love. So much stuff to play with, to be honest. Look at that.